In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion. Whether you're aiming to streamline your personal workflow or enhance your team's efficiency, setting up a document management system in Notion is a powerful way to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Let's start by navigating over to Notion. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this profile icon, which will prompt a new menu to appear. It's from here that we'll access the necessary templates that make document management in Notion so efficient. Next, from the drop-down menu, locate and click on the Templates option. This will open up a wide variety of pre-made templates available for you to use. Notion offers an extensive array of templates that cater to different needs and preferences, which can be incredibly beneficial if you're looking for a starting point without building everything from scratch. In the search bar that appears on the Templates page, simply type Doc Management. Typing this in the search field will filter through the numerous options to only show templates related to document management systems. This way, we quickly narrow down our choices and focus on what's relevant to our needs. Once the results are displayed, look for the option that reads Docs, Documents Management. This particular template has been designed with document management in mind, providing a structured way to catalog, search, and store documents right within Notion. Selecting this template gives you a straightforward setup that you can further customize to suit your own requirements or those of your team. Finally, select this document management template to begin customizing it. You can add the template to your existing Notion setup by clicking Add Template. This embeds it into your Notion workspace, allowing you to make adjustments, such as adding new categories for different types of documents, setting up tags for easier searching, or even linking it with other Notion databases you might already be using. As you integrate this template, remember that you can modify its structure to meet specific needs. Notion is highly flexible in this regard, letting you adapt templates by adding new properties, rearranging sections, and even embedding files or links that are crucial for your operations. Take advantage of this flexibility to build a system that truly serves your document management needs. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a document management system within Notion. With this system, you can enjoy improved organization and efficiency in handling your documents, all within the powerful and versatile environment that Notion offers.